Thanks for some comments and questions on the previous videos. I've had a lot of interest in this, and I thought I'd show a little more here on this, on the scale model, actually the full-size solid model. It's in assembly. There were some questions about how the flow path, how this works. You can see the right-hand cylinder here. So you can see the porting, and this is the inlet. There's a tract around there. And I'll do a side section. There's a side section there. So you can see the transfer, as the transfer is open, the injector here, the injector port also opens. So, oops. Damn thing. So I don't start injecting fuel until the transfers just get a little open. And the idea with that is to get the fuel and the transfer flow to mix. And it shows in this engine because I seem to need very little warm-up fuel or no wall wetting fuel at all with the microsquirt settings in Tuner Studio. So it shows it's fairly efficient in that way. And this is just an EV1, a regular injector on the front here. But note that you can't do a cylinder wall fuel injection on a typical engine because the oil rings pass this, and this becomes an oil burn issue. So anyway, that's on that. If I change the, I'll change here the view and give you a better view of the cross section. Sorry, just take me a second here. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Section view, and I'll bring that down a bit. There we go. Okay, so here's a top view. So here's the reed here. So this is the inlet path, of course. So this is the transfer ports essentially, but this is pressurized. As the piston comes down, the remaining air flows out and around and back here. So there's a large volume of air, and this is air only, flows through and into here through these ports up. But there's also a large volume of it circling around the side of the piston and coming out. You can see these ports here. So this is the last of it here. So get quite a lot of transfer area and fairly good flow, I think. The key to the efficiency with this engine is this here, reducing this diameter. And so this is my work now, what I've been doing. And to do that, I have to, there's a connecting rod, I basically have to change the whole top of the rod to something new. So the reason this engine is like it was is because it was based off a stock bottom end. Well, to evolve it further, the wrist pin idea has to go away to reduce the size of it, because this is as small as what I could fit in the bottom of the piston. So that's what it's evolving to anyway. So you can see here on this, I was messing with some of the oil return here on the oil rings. This was quite a bit of work for me here to get that to work and stop oil passing the oil rings at the bottom, but it's improved a lot since then. So anyway, I'll keep working on this, and I'll show you the next view of the new connecting rod, what I'm working on, etc. Thanks.